Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to record cash expenses or petty cash transactions in QuickBooks. This is essential for tracking physical cash payments that happen outside your regular banking accounts, ensuring every dollar spent is accounted for properly. First, you'll need to set up a petty cash account if you haven't already. Start by clicking the gear icon at the top right of your QuickBooks dashboard, then select Chart of Accounts from the menu. This is where all your financial accounts are organized and managed. Once you're in the chart of accounts, click New to create a new account. QuickBooks will prompt you to specify what type of account you're creating in the Account Type dropdown. Select Cash and Cash Equivalents. This category is designed specifically for tracking physical cash and similar assets. Next, look for the Detail Type dropdown and choose Cash on Hand if it's available in your list. If you don't see that exact option, simply select the closest option that relates to physical cash. This detail type helps QuickBooks categorize your transactions more accurately for reporting purposes. Now enter petty cash as the account name. This makes it immediately clear what this account is tracking. Once you've filled in these details, click Save and Close to finalize the setup of your petty cash account. Now that your petty cash account is ready, let's record an actual expense. Click the plus New button, which you'll find at the top left of your screen. From the options that appear, select Expense. This opens up a form where you can log the details of your cash payment. In the Paid field, you can enter the vendor's name if you have one, or simply leave it blank if it's a general expense. The important part comes next. In the Payment Account dropdown, make sure you select Petty Cash. This tells QuickBooks that this money came from your physical cash reserves, not from a bank account. Fill in the payment date to reflect when the expense actually occurred, then select Cash as the payment method. Under the Category Details section, input the expense category that best describes what the money was spent on, along with the amount. This categorization is crucial for accurate expense tracking and tax reporting. Once everything is filled in correctly, click Save and Close to record the transaction. Your petty cash balance will automatically update, and the expense will be properly documented in your books. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.